All right, so here is how you are going to share a funnel between one high level account and another. It doesn't matter if it's white labeled or not. All you gotta do is click on this share, and whenever you share it, this is how it is. Anyone with the link, anyone within this is my agency, or remove sharing. So as long as you don't have remove sharing on, anyone with the link, you just copy it. And know that this is the only way to share a funnel with anyone, okay? Regardless of whether they use high level or not, but this is how it's gonna go. When you share that link and they either copy it or click on it, right? For example, I clicked on that link, it's going to open up this page. So we need to click on I'm already a high level user, and that is when it's going to let you log in. This is what the page looks like. Just log into your high level, which I'm going to do right now. Sign in. It's going to send you a code. Enter the code. Okay, so now I'm going to open this. I'm going to paste the same URL that was shared with me because I wasn't signed in. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm already logged in on one side, so this is how it should be. See that? Copy of solar energy, add funnel, and you just click on add funnel. And if you have multiple locations, then just add it. There you go. This is what was shared. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions.